What's inside?
New toy
Bumblebee, I heard that the evil minicon Dragonus is trying to get into our base.
Alright everybody, keep an eye out for Dragonus. We're on high alert.
This energon will get you right back to normal, Strongarm.
Thanks for helping her, Ratchet.
Wow, that energon really worked. I even feel stronger.
That's great. Now let's go get those Decepticons.
Steeljaw, Dragonus attacked Strongarm. I think the Autobots are looking for revenge.
Oh yeah? Bring it on. Did I hear somebody looking for a fight? We're happy to help.
And all you Decepticons are gonna end up in stasis. It looks like all your Deceptijerk friends left you high and dry. You're coming with us, Steeljaw. This is where you belong. You're gonna be here for a long time.
This stasis pod can't hold the mighty Steeljaw.
Oh no! How did Steeljaw escape?
I used all of our healing energon on Strongarm. I'm gonna have to use this unstable energon on you. I hope there's no side effects. Oh no! That energon turns you into a giant, Bumblebee.
Wait a minute, Ratchet.
I think this is gonna be a good thing. With a giant Bumblebee on our side, he'll be able to take out the Decepticons by himself.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be fun.
Ah! What happened? It was like a giant yellow mountain attacked us. I think it was Bumblebee. If that was Bumblebee, we're in big trouble.
That was too easy. Autobots 1, Decepticons nothing.
What happened here?
Like it was a giant potato that wrecked the city. I knew fast food was bad for you, but this is ridiculous.
I don't know if anything can stop that killer Spud. Oh man, I've got to go tell Optimus about this.
Everything is going according to plan. This giant potato is powered by the sparks of all Decepticons. The humans don't stand a chance. And if the Autobots try to stop us, we'll crush them like an old French fry.
Boy, the Allspark, what happened? Can you believe a giant potato did all this?
Is this what is meant by the mashing potato?
Optimus needs to know about this immediately.
You're not gonna believe this, but a giant potato is destroying the town.
How dangerous could a potato be? Humans don't seem to be afraid of them.
This is no ordinary potato. It could crush a transformer with one stomp. I don't know what we're gonna do.
We've been preparing for the day when the human food rises up. Bumblebee, you're going to have to use your experimental giant mode to mash this potato.
Alright, I've been waiting to use my giant form. That potato won't know what mashed him.
Here goes nothing.
Whoa, you're big enough to defeat the Decepticons by yourself.
Sorry, Sideswipe. My giant form only lasts a short time. Don't take any chances, Bumblebee. Find out what made this vegetable a villain and stop it. It's no use, Autobot. This potato is powered by the sparks of every Decepticon. Yeah? Well, it's still a squishy potato. I knew I should have picked a stronger vegetable. A giant carrot would have ruled the world. Let's get out of here. The Decepticon should have known that the fist is mightier than the potato. Wild dinosaur stampede will destroy the city. I have to stop them.
It looks like Grimlock has his hands full with those dinosaurs.
Help, our boat is broken. Like if we don't get help, we're gonna be stuck here for days. Don't worry, kids. The Transformers are here to help.
Oh, I've heard of these guys. Hopefully it's not one of the bad ones.
Once I transform, I'll be able to pull you right out in vehicle mode. Don't worry.
Good thing Ratchet was there to help. Looks like it's a busy day for the Transformers.
The puny humans love their gold so much they'll do anything if we take it all.
Stop right there, Barricade. Bumblebee's here to save the day. Those zoo animals are gonna make a huge mess. Why are they going nuts? What's that over there? It looks like something creepy. I wonder if that's what scared the animals. Whoa! It's a huge spider! Get out of here, you creepy thing! Now that that's out of here, I gotta find the rest of the animals. I hope they didn't make a mess. Oh, somebody sabotaged the Gotham jail elevator. I'm stuck up here.
Don't worry, Commissioner Gordon. Optimus Prime is here to help you.
Thank goodness it was one of you Autobot Transformers. Those Decepticons are nothing but trouble.
Yes, hopefully we won't see any other trouble out of the Decepticons today.
This city belongs to the Decepticons. It's time to freak out.
Oh,
Come here, you little humans.
Oh no! Can any of the Transformers save the city? How about Grimlock?
Pea-brain dinosaurs, go back to your home.
Oh, he's still busy with those dinosaurs.
This ought to do it. Hooray! You really saved us, man. How can we ever repay you? The Autobots are just here to help.
And Ratchet's still helping those kids.
Get out of my way, Bumblebee.
Sorry, Decepti-jerk. It's my job to put you down. Give me that. You better get out of here before Prime and the rest of the Autobots show up to turn you into scrap metal.
I'm not afraid of you, but I do think I left the oven on.
Get back in there, you animals. Why do I always get the messiest jobs? I just got a car wash. Yeah, I'm looking at you, monkey.
You were right, Commissioner. A villain sabotaged your elevator, but I got it working now.
Thank you, Optimus. I just hope no villains caused any problems while I was stuck in there.
Don't worry, Commissioner. Things probably didn't get too bad while you were stuck.
I don't think so, Optimus. There's no one left to save the city.
The city is mine. Who are you? I made sure all the Autobots were busy helping humans.
I'm Breakaway, the one who's gonna take you down.
Whoa, you're too fast.
If you like Transformers, give this video a thumbs up and share in the comments below the name of your favorite Transformer. Remember to subscribe to New Toy Surprise so that we can open up another great toy together.